Hey, my name is Joanna and I'm here today to present a list of amazing
automotive replacement gauge sets.
If found your desired product here, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Hey everybody, this is Shane with Rick Rack. We have our Harley Davidson 2021 Limited here, and we're going to change out gauges today. We're going to do Dakota digital gauges. It's a 4-pack. It sets right into your bike, and you can actually change the color to anything you want on your phone with an app or the switch on the bike. And it's going to give you some more features as well. So let's get started. This is the Dakota digital gauges we've installed on our 2021 Harley Davidson Limited. It's all digital, and you can go onto the app and change the color. There's preset themes. Whatever you want to change it to, you can. Just pick the theme you want, hit apply changes, it changes it. And then I'm going to show you on the gauges, we turn the bike off to set the color we chose. So over here we have oil temperature that you don't have on your bike now, so that's an added feature with the digital gauges. Your fuel gauge is up here, miles per hour, RPM up there, voltmeter, and then down here there's 4 windows. Use the information switch over here on your handlebars, but if you want to change, like here there's the air temperature, we're going to change it to your head temperature, tire pressure, things like that. So you can pick whatever you want in that window, but we're going to hold it down. We're going to move over here. Now we're over in this window. So again, you can change anything you want in each of these 4 windows. Temperature, so that's an added feature with the digital gauges. Is up here, RPM up there, volt. And here there's 4. Use the information switch, change it to your tire pressure, things like that. So you can pick whatever you want. But we're going to, so again, those. Better visibility, just cool looking. Pick the theme that you want. Plug and play.
Hello, my name is Mark with Scared Shiftless, SoCal, California. And what we have here is a beautiful 1969 Camaro RSSS Super Sport big block automatic trans 12-volt posi. Our customer insisted on using the Equus line of gauges. We've used these gauges before. They're awesome. They're easy to install. I think it's a great choice. They make the 7,000, the 6,000. They're economical. You can buy a set of gauges for your dash cluster for under $200. That's reasonable. Comes with the fittings. They also offer the fuel sender units. If you're going to go with electrical gauges, you can get the senders, the sensors, the whole works. One place. I've shopped them on the internet, and I know my local auto parts store also has these gauges. What a great choice. We also have the voltmeter attacking this bad beast. And he wants to know, on the weekends, he's going to drag race. On the weekdays, he's going to rotate this over so he can see his RPM and his speedometer. What a cool setup. So here you have it. We've got him all set up for his weekend racing. And now, for his daily cruiser, we've got it right here on the side. Easily rotates over with the supplied wrench. And now he can see how fast he's going. Now that we have our classic car gauges all set up and everything, let's go do something a little more modern if you're not tired of me yet. What we have is our tachometer, 3 3/8. This is going to look great on the dash. What we've done is we've actually purchased this online. Our gauges fit perfectly right here. Let's see how these gauges look installed. This gauge right here to let us know if our turbo's working properly or not. We also have our RPM gauge to let us know when to shift.
She got me going psycho. She got me going down, down, down. Got me living on a tightrope. She got me going down, down, down. She got me going psycho. She got me going down, down.
The Elitech PT500-800 is a wireless digital temperature and pressure gauge for maintenance use in the HVAC refrigeration industry. This product contains one PT500 wireless digital low pressure gauge, one PT800 wireless digital high pressure gauge, 2 temperature probe clips, 4 1/8 NPT to 1/4 SAE adapters, 2 bend connectors, 1 T-type adapter, 2 Velcro straps, and 1 user manual. Remove the low pressure meter and high pressure meter. Install the adapter that matches the refrigeration system. We recommend using tape to ensure it's tight and sealed. Press the power button before installing to the system. If the pressure data display on the product interface does not read 0, you can hold the power button to reset the system. Install the pressure gauge to the refrigeration system. Use the temperature clamp and install the temperature jack to the back of the pressure gauge and the temperature clamp to the appropriate service tubing. At this time, the pressure gauge will display the pressure value, temperature value, and unit measurement in the system. We have 7 units of measurement to choose from: pound per square inch, inch of mercury, kilograms per square centimeter, centimeter per mercury, bar, kPa, and MPa. Press the Bluetooth button, and once the Bluetooth logo flashes, you are ready to connect to the device. Press the Bluetooth button, and once the Bluetooth logo flashes, you are ready to connect to the device. Make sure to turn on the Bluetooth and the mobile GPS. Click on the pressure display area to pop up the function selection dialog. Select Unit to switch units. Click to add bonding superheat or supercool value. The product supports the recording function, supporting about 7,000 points. It is recommended to format the device during the first use, as a variety of recording interval settings are available, and the recording interval can be adjusted according to needs. To the reporting, you can select the corresponding data area.
Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 10-color digital dual temperature and pressure gauge. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm temperature and pressure gauge with 2 digital displays and a color change button on the front. Also included in the packaging, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 9-foot temperature sensor harness with bullet-style connectors, a 2-foot power harness, a temperature sensor with bullet-style connectors, a pressure sensor, a mounting bracket and hardware, a gauge visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions.